Hey there, awesome artists and Transformers fans. Welcome back to ZooniToons, the coolest place to bring your favorite heroes to life with your pencils and colors. Today, we're drawing the mighty Optimus Prime, starting with his powerful truck form and then watching him transform into the legendary robot himself. Articulated Lorry Robot Face. Get ready, because this is going to be an epic drawing adventure. First up, I'm sketching Optimus Prime's truck form. That strong and sturdy big rig with shining windows, thick wheels, and all those awesome details that make him ready to roll into battle. Look at those sharp lines and powerful shapes. From the front grille to the giant exhaust pipes, it's going to look just like the real deal. I'm making sure to capture every part of the truck. Now, it's time to bring this truck to life with color. I'm starting with a bold red for the cab, adding bright blue accents, and painting the wheels a solid black with some silver for the rims. Watch how the colors make the truck pop. It looks like it's ready to zoom down the highway at full speed. Next up, the transformation. Here comes Optimus Prime in robot form. I'm drawing him right beside the truck, showing all his powerful armor plates, glowing eyes, and those famous shoulder cannons. Look at those strong arms and legs, the detailed chest windows, and the helmet with that proud faceplate. Optimus Prime is ready for action. Let's color this legendary robot. I'm using bright red and blue for his armor, silver and gray for his mechanical parts, and glowing yellow for his eyes. With every stroke, Optimus Prime comes alive. Standing tall and strong, ready to defend the Earth from the Decepticons. Wow, wasn't that transformation incredible? From a mighty truck to a heroic robot, Optimus Prime is truly one of the coolest Transformers ever. If you enjoyed drawing and coloring with me today, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to ZooniToons for more amazing drawing adventures. Tell me in the comments, which Transformer is your favorite? I'd love to know. Thanks for joining me, heroes. Until next time, keep creating, keep imagining, and keep drawing. Bye-bye, artists.